doing Hard Breakfast with Stuart and Natalie.
Now, with it being half-term week and all that, if you're out and about and you see something that you quite like, you know how on Facebook you can click like when someone comments on something? Well, we've actually been out and about with our heart like sticker kind of board thing, pointing at the things that we like, and we'll put a link on our Heart Encounters Facebook page to where you can find them at heart.co.uk, because we want you to get involved too and tell us the things you like so we can take pictures of them.
It could be anything, could be beautiful scenery, we've got that up there, could be food. I'd like to see personally more animals on there as well.
Well, at the moment we've got quite a lot of kind of amazing places like from Dunstable Downs to Woburn.